Hey guys, so I think I just heard Adrian come in. She just came from the market, so let's see if she got anything cool. She doesn't know I'm recording. Oh, I'm recording, by the way.
Hello. Okay.
Did you get anything cool?
Yeah, I think so. I found this like weird greenish pear apple thingy called Chayote.
Chayote? Chayotes?
I don't know.
I don't think I've ever messed with that. I've never had anything with chayote in it.
Me neither. So I thought it would be good.
I guess this is the second episode of our What the F series. Chayote.
So the chayote squash, which is a gourd, and even though people call it a vegetable pear, it's botanically classified as a fruit. But a lot of people just treat it like a vegetable when they're cooking. They say it tastes like a cucumber, but we found it to be actually a lot more crunchy, refreshing, a little bit more flavor than a cucumber, and also texture-wise, it holds its crunchiness for a really long time, so more like a potato than a cucumber. The chayote is found all over the world now, but it originated in Central America and made its way through the efforts of Christopher Columbus when it was brought from the New World over to the Old World. Now, a lot of cuisines use it. I mean, it's used for every type of dish you can imagine. And it goes by the name of chayote, sayote, merlotone, choco, chocho, choo-choo, choco, wow! It's known for its nutrient density. It packs a lot of punch in that little thing, and not for a lot of calories either. It's got high vitamin C, B9, which is folate, fiber, antioxidants, so it's like super good for your heart health and your digestive health too. When picking the chayote, you want to make sure that the fruit is firm, even coloring, no browning, bruising, or even sprouting. There are other varieties too, like all white ones or even prickly ones.
All right, so handling chayote. It's pretty easy actually. The whole thing is edible. The seeds, the roots, the leaves, if you get them with the seeds, the roots, the leaves. Some people use the leaves for tea, for like hypertension, or to dissolve kidney stones. And the seed inside the chayote is pretty soft actually. It's almost very creamy. It's a creamy nut. And as far as peeling it or not peeling it is definitely preference. We kind of don't mind the taste of the skin. Maybe some people don't like it. Just keep in mind what you're gonna make out of the chayote, then it'll maybe give you more of a sense of if you're gonna skin it or not. So today, not skin it, what is this? What are we, savages? Shh, in the background. But yeah, so today we're gonna be showing you two sides of it, of the chayote, a sweet and a savory. When we did a quick Google search of like a sweet chayote recipe, we got a lot of like alternatives for apple pie that is really good for people on keto. But obviously we're not on any diet, so we will be doing more of like a chayote compote or chutney, but really it's a compote. And on the other side, for savory, we're gonna be doing chayote cakes, or like a fritter, or, well, a cake. Let's get into these little quick things. Again, these recipes can be found on our blog. Everything's linked below. If you really like this series, we're really having fun learning about like all these new ingredients we never knew about, and just sharing the education, sharing how to handle these things. If you're really enjoying this, subscribe, like the channel and this video, and share with your people. And also let us know what kind of stuff you'll be making with this ingredient or with any of the other ingredients, or if you have something you want us to try to hunt down and talk about. To make savory chocho pancakes, all you're gonna do is shred one chayote, put it in a strainer with some salt so that all the liquid drains out. Then you're gonna shred one carrot, season it up with salt, white pepper, garlic, whatever you want, and combine it with the chayote. Now the chayote, I squeeze any excess liquid so it's kind of dry. Now combine your ingredients for a pancake batter, which is flour, baking powder, salt, an egg, and some milk. You're gonna mix that together, mix it with the shredded stuff. We kind of like to stick to the ratio of 1/3 of batter to 2/3 of your shredded ingredients. And there you go. You're gonna fry it up and make your pancake. For chayote compote or chutney or whatever you want to call it, you're just gonna peel it, you take out the core and dice it really small. You're gonna make a caramel just by putting sugar in a pan, but don't burn it. Add your chayote, let it cook down, add a piece of butter, let it cook down even more, then there you have it, that's your compote. All the full recipes are on our blog. Check out the description for the link, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.